for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 10 rounds and we will perform 30 seconds of work and 30 seconds of rest. Today, we are going to perform 30 seconds of the Curtis P complex, followed by 30 seconds of rest. So reminder, the Curtis P complex, one repetition consists of 1 power clean, 2 front rack lunges, and 1 push press. This movement can be performed with all types of equipment, barbells, dumbbells, sandbag, whatever you have on hand. 1 rep is the 1 power clean, 2 lunges, 1 push press. You will continue through that complex to see how many you can get in 30 seconds, and we're going to perform that for 10 rounds. All right, you guys, and moving on for part B, we have a workout that we're going to call a 10-minute AMRAP, and we're going to call it an AMRAP because of the way we will score the workout, but you might think of this more like an EMOM structure. So every minute, you have a certain number of burpees to do. Minute 1, you will perform 10 burpees. Minute 2, 9 burpees. Minute 3, 8 burpees. So on and so forth until minute number 10, you are down to 1 burpee. But each round that you finish the burpees, you'll have some remaining time left over, and in that time, you are going to perform as many dumbbell snatches as possible until the next minute starts and you need to get back to the burpees. So across your 10 minutes, after completing all of your burpees, you are going to score yourself based on how many cumulative dumbbell snatches you can get done. All right, everybody, we're excited about these workouts. These are new ones. Best of luck. We're excited to hear how you do.
Hey you guys, welcome back. Today we're going to kick off our warm-up with 2 minutes of jump roping just to get us loosened up, get the heart rate going. All right, from there, we're going to stretch for a little bit. Starting off, we have a preacher stretch. So just warming up our upper back, try to flatten out the spine. Then we're going to get into a seated position, do some 90-90 hip flow, trying to open up the hips. From there, we can stand tall and go into a squat and fold, just to warm up our squat position and loosen up our hammies. Then our final stretch will be squat and reach. All right, after we stretch, we're gonna do 2 rounds, 10 reps of each. We got single leg Romanian deadlift, followed by bent over rows, trying to engage those lats. Then we have hang power clean, and then the second round, you're gonna sub that for regular power cleans. All right, after that, we have 10 front squats, and the second round, you're gonna sub that for lunges. From there, we're gonna go into a front rack, get 10 strict presses, and on the second round, you're gonna do 10 push presses. All right, you guys, get after it.